antico, bellissimo.
For this, I wonder if it's you.